Are you looking for ways to make money online? With remote working on the rise and many tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind, it's no wonder that people are looking for an extra stream of income that puts money in their pockets without having to leave the comfort of home. The good news is that there are plenty of options out there to get you started quickly and easily, with no skill or prior experience needed. Just the motivation and resources to get started. Welcome to The Stash. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 of some of the best paying and easiest side hustles out there you can do at home right on your couch. These jobs will help you make money while working at your own pace. So if you're looking for some extra cash or want more freedom in how you spend your time, our list of side hustles will give you the tools you need. Number 1. Sell artwork on Etsy. Are you the creative type? Why not make money with your artwork? With Etsy, you can set up a store and start selling your own creations with the click of a button. You don't have to be an experienced artist to create beautiful artwork, especially with the advancement of AI art and stock photos. One idea is to use print-on-demand services like Printify. You can design motivational canvases featuring inspirational quotes or graphics. Sites like Unsplash or Enveto Elements have free images and graphics that you can download and use on your artwork. With minimal effort and no real skill needed, you could be making a good side income in no time. Best of all, Etsy handles the payment processing and shipping. All you have to do is focus on creating work you can sell for profit. An Etsy seller earns an average of $46,000 per year. It can vary based on various factors like product type and marketing strategies. With a smart approach and dedication, anyone can increase their earnings significantly. Some of the top earners on Etsy can even make well over $65,000 a month. Number 2. Start investing. Making money doesn't have to require complicated skills or hours of hard work. One of the easiest ways to start making money is by investing. It may not sound like something that's achievable just yet, especially if you've never dabbled in the world of investing before, but it's totally doable. Putting your money into stocks can be a great way to increase your value and generate passive income over time, meaning you don't have to do any work for it. You can buy stocks for as little as $1, and most stock platforms make it easy to find the right company and manage your investments. Plus, lots of companies offer dividends, so you can get free money each quarter just because you own their stock. There are plenty of companies out there to help you with investing your money. Public or Webull, to name a few, are companies where you can invest your money in the stock market. They make it simple and easy to invest, and the best part is, by simply clicking the Webull link in the description below to create a free Webull account, you will receive 12 stocks worth up to $36,000 when you deposit 1 penny. That is essentially free money. And as an added bonus, with Public, once you create an account and deposit just $20, you will get a reward of up to $300 for free. Another form of investing is mutual funds. A mutual fund is made up of different stocks or bonds that are usually managed by a professional. This kind of pooled investment allows someone with a little bit of cash to invest in a variety of assets without having to go through all the trouble involved with investing in different stocks. Plus, mutual funds are typically more diversified and professionally managed than individual stocks. Investing in mutual funds is also very affordable. Most mutual funds require a minimum investment amount of between $200 to $500. So if you're looking for an easy way to start making extra income from home without having any complicated skills, give investing a go. Number 3. Freelancing online. One of the great things about technology and the internet is that you can make money from home without having to invest in a business. Freelancing is one of the best ways to make money from home with no job experience needed. You can use websites such as Fiverr to get started, where you can offer services depending on your expertise or skill set, such as graphic design, writing, and web development. You get to choose how much you want to charge for your services, and then freelance clients rent your services in exchange for money. Plus, it helps if you already have a portfolio that you can showcase, since this allows clients to have confidence in knowing what kind of work they'll be getting. And that's all there is for getting started as a freelancer. No extra costs associated. Plus, with Fiverr, there are no upfront fees or subscriptions required. So it's just your time and energy being put into your services in exchange for money. talk about an easy side hustle. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another great way to make money from home. It's a popular business model where you partner with suppliers who store and ship products directly to customers without you ever having to touch them. All you have to do is locate the products, add them to your e-commerce store, and market them. You don't need any special skills or experience. Plus, since there's no inventory involved, you don't have to worry about storage costs or fees. You can use software like Jungle Scout to help look through data on Amazon to find the right products with enough demand to sell to make the most profit. You can try them for free for 7 days before choosing a subscription plan. Click on the link below to get started. This is how it works. Source products from suppliers at lower prices than what they're marked up for online. Register your business and obtain a tax identification number. Set up an online store with an e-commerce platform like Shopify, which has tons of tutorials for first-timers. Use free online marketing tools like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to attract customers. Analyze customer feedback and use it to improve your business strategy long-term. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. Do you find yourself drawn to the idea of working from home? Then consider becoming a virtual assistant. This job comes with a lot of great benefits and is perfect for anyone who prefers to work from the comfort of their own home. What does a virtual assistant do? They typically provide administrative or technical services, such as managing email or phone calls, updating spreadsheets and documents, handling online research tasks, responding to customer inquiries, and more. And the best part? You don't have to be an expert in any particular field. All you need is basic computer knowledge and strong organizational skills. What makes it such a great side hustle? From flexible hours to speedy payment, starting your own virtual assistant business can be one of the most lucrative side jobs out there. The potential hourly rate is quite high, upwards of $30 per hour depending on experience. You can make your own hours. You decide when and how much you want to work. You can target specifically what types of clients you want, meaning you can customize the job to fit your skill set. Anywhere in the world that has an internet connection works for this type of job. Payment is usually prompt and via PayPal, which means no waiting for weeks or months. And you get to work from anywhere. No need to worry about a long commute. All in all, becoming a virtual assistant is one of the easiest ways to make money from wherever life takes you. So why not give it a go and see if it's right for you? Number 6. Start a podcast. If you're creative and great with words, you can make money from a podcast. Podcasts are still very popular, and as long as your topic is interesting enough, you can make a lot from it. All you need to get started is a computer or laptop with a microphone, headphones, and recording software like Audacity. Then comes the fun part, making the actual podcast. You can record the audio for your podcast in your home studio or anywhere that's quiet enough to be heard clearly on the recording. Once you have recorded your podcast and have it saved as an audio file, all you have to do is upload it to an online streaming service like SoundCloud, iTunes, Spotify, and more, and you'll be good to go. The more people listen to your podcast, the more money you will make. You can earn income through paid advertisements or even by asking viewers for donations. Number 7. Affiliate marketing for Amazon products. If you're into creating content, then making videos for Amazon products could be an easy and high-paying side hustle for you. You can get paid through affiliate marketing, which means earning commission depending on how many click-throughs you get. The great thing about this type of side hustle is that it requires very little technical knowledge. All you need to do is create some short videos or slideshows featuring products from Amazon, post them to YouTube and other social media sites, and include your affiliate link in the description. You'll also want to make sure that your videos stand out with interesting visuals and an engaging script. This will help boost your view count, which will increase your earnings. Here are a few tips to help make sure that your videos are successful. Focus on products that appeal to the target audience of your channel. Include a call to action at the end of each video to encourage viewers to click through to your affiliate link. Share each video across multiple channels so more people can watch it. Don't forget to post them regularly as you need to keep up with the competition. And track data like view counts and engagement numbers for each video so you can optimize future videos accordingly. 8. Self-publishing books. Making money from the comfort of your home has never been easier than self-publishing a book. All you need to do is write down your thoughts, put them in an ebook, and start collecting your earnings. The great thing is that you don't need to have any experience or expertise in the field of publishing. You can learn as you go, and once you've hit publish, the sky's the limit. To get started with self-publishing a book, the first thing you should do is pick your niche. This is important because it helps narrow down your target audience so that you can better focus on how to pitch your book and reach more potential readers. Plus, it's a lot easier to write about something that interests you, which makes the whole process more enjoyable. Once your book is ready for consumption, it's time to promote it online. Whether through social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter, or by using professional services such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or BookBaby, there are a variety of ways to publicize and distribute your work online. Number 9. Sell digital products or services. eBay is a great platform for selling digital products, whether you're selling ebooks, software, apps, music, images, or even video tutorials. You can even use the platform to offer services like SEO writing and web design. The best part? Most digital products are super cheap to create and require no skill level at all. When you set up your store on eBay, you can choose between 5 different options that range from basic stores with low costs and limited features to anchor stores with unlimited items and promotional tools. Whichever store type meets the specific needs of your side hustle is up to you. With eBay's wide range of store options combined with low fees and helpful advice, selling digital products online can be an easy way for you to make money from the comfort of your own home. Number 10. Tutoring or teaching English. This is one of the highest paying side hustles out there. With so many people wanting to learn a second language and companies offering opportunities to do so, you can make some serious money with minimal skill. In order to tutor or teach English, you don't need a degree, but you'll need to have excellent verbal and written communication skills in the language you'll be tutoring. Having any kind of teaching experience will also be beneficial. Platforms such as TutorMe and Verbling provide online platforms for independent tutors and teachers to offer private lessons on their own schedules. Depending on the platform, payment varies from $10 to $25 per hour, depending on your level of experience in teaching English lessons. Thanks for spending some time with us today at The Stash. We're so glad you did. And if you found value in today's video, please give us a like. Hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. And don't forget to subscribe.